As a doctor, you've spent years perfecting your craft. But when it comes to building your personal brand or marketing your expertise, the process can feel overwhelming. You've probably heard the buzz about AI, yet figuring out how to actually use it to stand out, that's the challenge. I'm Haley Walters, and I've spent my career helping next generation healthcare companies scale their ventures with smart, data driven marketing. Now I want to share those strategies with you. In my talk, AI powered branding, how doctorpreneurs can scale their marketing efforts, I'll show you how to put AI to work for your personal brand. We'll look at which tools can help you automate and simplify tasks like content creation, social media management, and patient engagement. I'll also show you how to engineer prompts that generate high impact content so you can reach the right audience with the right message. And you'll leave with tangible next steps that make your marketing more effective, more consistent, and far less time consuming. This session is designed for doctor entrepreneurs who want to cut through the noise and work smarter. Whether your goal is to get the word out about your practice, grow awareness for your mission, or simply free up more time to focus on patient care while scaling your business, this talk will give you the tools to do it. Join me and let's unlock your brand's full potential with AI.